Hello graphic designer, welcome back to another tutorial and let's make this flyer all together in Photoshop. So let's go. For designing a poster, flyer or banner, the first step you need to do is create a new document. I go to File, I click on New, or you can Control N. For this area is title of document. You can put the name what you want. And for size, I change here to centimeters. I put 21 and height 21. And for resolution 300, I choose pixel per inch. And color RGB, and for the background content I choose white and don't care about this area and create. And now we have a new document and this is the worksheet area. The next step I want to add solid layer, so I click here and choose solid color and I choose color. The code is 107400 and click OK. Next step I want the rectangle over here, so I choose rectangle tool by click here and choose here. For fill I choose Y and stroke I choose 0. I change direction. I think it's okay. And don't forget save file. I click file and save or save as. After save, the next step I want to do is import the main subject. So I go to file and choose place embedded. And choose the main subject. I want a little bit shadow under the main subject and I create a new layer, drag it down and I choose brush tool. I go to general brush and choose soft round and change direction. And minus opacity. Make sure the color is black. And brush. I think it's okay and I select two layers, the main and the shadow, and I link layer. And for the next step, I want to add half ellipse around here. So I choose ellipse tool and fill 0 and stroke 7. Color is white. And I stand on ellipse layer and right click and rasterize layer. I choose polygonal lasso tool here. And delete key. Ctrl D to deselect. I want to put the ring on here. I use ellipse tool. The setting is the same before. And Ctrl J to make a copy. I drag to another side. I need to draw it again and choose ellipse tool, and the setting is the same before. Hold shift to make it balance. And I stand on it and right click and rasterize layer, and I choose polygon lasso tool to cut it. And delete key. Ctrl D to deselect. I want to add ring around here as well. I use lasso tool, and setting is the same before. Ctrl J to make a copy. And drag here to another side. I make it to one group. Select all layer and Ctrl G to make group. The next step, I want to add the text. I use text tool. I change font. I choose this one. And I change color to green. I Ctrl J to make copy, drag it down, and put another text. I put delicious. think it's okay. I Ctrl J again and drag it down. And tap another text. The next step, I want to add price. I use ellipse tool. Fill, I choose white. Stroke, I choose dark green. And I put 7 pixels. Put over here. I Ctrl J to make a copy. I want to change the stroke to dot. I go to ellipse tool and you can click here and you can choose which one do you want. Yes, I want this one. Yes, let's see. I add text on it. I choose text tool. I put sale. I change color to dark green. Drag down a little bit. And I Ctrl J to make copy. And drag it down. I put 30%. I gonna change font. I use this one. I think it's okay and I make group. I select layer and Ctrl G. I want to add contact around here. I use rectangle tool. Stroke, I put 0. And fill, I choose white. Ctrl J to make copy. And I want to change color to dark green. I add text. I change color to white. I want to put the social media icon on here and you can download it. and I want to add website below it. I want to add doodle around here. I want to change color this doodle and I stand on it and I choose effect. I choose blending option and I choose color overlay and I select a color. Yes, I like this one and click OK and OK again, and I want it to, I Ctrl J to make copy and drag it to another side. Yes, finally our poster is finished. So don't forget like and subscribe to my channel to get another tutorial. Thank you for watching.